If I was a nail tech, I would be so nervous about my future because what do you mean I can get handmade press-on nails on Shein for under $5? What? Hi girlies, wagwan, what's up? As per usual, I have another Shein press-on nail haul video for you guys. And yes, as I said in the intro, all of these sets are under United States American dollars, okay? Y'all know I don't play. Let's get into them. But bam, let's start off strong, shall we? Look at this gorgeous set. Ooh, I love me a good orange, especially in the summertime. I love the florals on this one. The quality is just top tier. These are thick, okay? And for $5, are you kidding me? Let's zoom in on this. Let's go in close because I really want you guys to see the detail of this. This set was created with lots of love in mind, okay? The girlie who did this, or dude, you know, whoever, they knew that when I put this on, I'm gonna feel like a different me, because that's really what nails do for me. Really just helps to pep up my confidence. Like I'll be having a bad day and I just gotta go like this and look at my nails, but bam. Of course, you know, I'm wearing a little virgin set right now because this nail is a little bit damaged, so I didn't want to, you know, put too much pressure on her. But usually if I have on a bad set like this, come on, like y'all, you can't, I'm clickety clacking, I'm on my keyboard like I just love nails. And I know if you're watching this video, it's because you love nails too. So hey girlie, don't we just love a good strawberry set? Now this set right here was definitely created with lots of love and care. The decals are the charms, they are so immaculately placed. Nothing is protruding. I mean, all of these sets are super thick. You ain't got to worry. Now, girlie, if you are new to the Shein press-on nail world, yes, all of the sets always come with only 10 nails. You gotta choose your size. Usually they have from extra small all the way up to large. I'm usually between a small and a medium, usually a small. I'll take a medium if they don't got no small. There's a whole size chart under each listing that'll tell you how to measure your nail beds. Honestly, I just winged it that first order when I was trying this out initially, and turns out a small worked for me. But I don't want you guys to worry. For the most part, Shein is really good on returning stuff. So if you get something that is not really like your cup of tea, it's not fitting you right, you can always do a return and you'll get your money back. But yeah, look at her. Ooh, child, this is a bomb set. Nail techs, I'm scared for y'all. I'm scared. Now I love a green. This green set also just very classy, very simple. It's not doing a whole lot. For the most part with this one, it just seems like they only like painted and then did like a gel top coat on these nails. And of course this one is very much 3D, but I love it. It's cute. Extra, read all about it. Look at this. I know you are gagging right now. I know. Like every time I even look at this set, I am just like, I want to wear her, but I don't want to wear her because it's very extra. I know. I'm a very extra girl. I love nails like this that have a statement that, again, you know, I can look down on and be like, damn, you fine. And this definitely gives that. I love how realistic the area right here looks in terms of matching your natural color of your nails. Not too pinky, not too like dark brown. It's just so perfect. And again, looks like really good quality, very thick. Love the gold and the pink together. Oh my goodness. And let's talk about her, because of course, you know, this nail right here is why I purchased. Because what do you mean I can have lips with teeth on there for $5? Of course. No, the next set, you guys, I didn't really think it through. Okay, so don't come for me. I didn't think about it. Okay, now this is her. Yes, I know, she's gorgeous. All right, like the bows, it's giving goth. It's giving, I'm still a little bit girly, but I'm trying to be edgy. But look at this. Do y'all see those spikes? I mean, I'm a mom. I got a baby. I can't. I tried to return her. Shein was like, we'll give you a partial refund. And I was like, no, thank you. I'm not only taking $2. I want my whole $5 back. So if that's the case, I'm just going to keep her, which I am just going to keep her. My husband did suggest I just file down these And I'm gonna try to do that, file them down really short and then put gel top coat over it just to kind of make it not protrude as much. But just fair warning, this was probably like a midnight purchase. I think what caught me was like the bear right here, because that's so cute. I love the little bear holding the heart, and of course I do love these pink charms as well. Everything just kind of meshes together. I just wish they didn't put these darn spikes on them. Like, what's up with that? Even with like not having a child, I couldn't imagine wearing these nails. This is gonna like get caught on almost everything. You're gonna scrape somebody. But then again, if you know you're gonna go somewhere where you're probably gonna have to throw hands, this probably is the set that you choose to go with, because you ain't got to do a lot. You just got to do like this and brush against the person and they be all scraped up. So that's maybe, I'm giving you guys some ideas, okay? Now, if you're into your soft girl era, look at this one. Not too out there like the others. A nice little muted pink that has just a minor pop of a little coquette vibe with the bow and the pearls. And you have your cute little, is that a bear? I don't know, but yeah, this one definitely is a bear. I really love this. And if you can see, there is glitter right here as well. Absolutely gorgeous. Worth every penny. And I will be sure to link as many of these as possible in the description bar below. However, if you don't know Shein, just know that the prices change every single day, okay? So I may have gotten these for $5 when I purchased them. I can't guarantee that they're $5 right now. They could be $7, they could be $8, they could even be lower than $5 if you're lucky. But just full disclosure purposes, I paid $5 on the day that I purchased these. I don't know if they're still available, because that's another thing. Shein is not a reliable girly. If you see something, you gotta scoop it up immediately, because it's either not gonna be available when you go back or the price is gonna skyrocket. All right, so I'm not a girly who forgets where she came from, the roots, the OGs, you know, the cheap $1 nails that are not quite as top tier quality as the handmade ones, but you could still get by with these. Plus you get 24 nails. So let's see. All right, so these are your regular, just, you know, basic press-on nails that you're gonna probably have to add builder gel or top coat to, just to kind of, you know, give it some extra strength and for the print to not like fade quickly. But this is still a gorgeous set, really muted, really girly. I'm loving the pink with the polka dots. That's such a vibe. More than likely, I'm gonna like put additional charms and gems on these, but so gorgeous. Now, I wanted to show you guys these because did you know that they had the audacity to upload these as handmade press-on nails, even though you can tell most of the times when they're really not, because they're usually like $1 or $2. You know, if it's too cheap, it's too good to be true. But you know, I still wanted to get it. But just straight out the package, I could see that hell no. This is just a regular press-on nail that they just slapped some charms on and added like top coat, in my opinion. That's what I think, because it's still like really thin, really like bendable. I mean, you know, it will get you by, but it's still like, you know, bendable. I'm still gonna have to add builder gel to this when I end up wearing it, but it's still a nice set. Love yellow as well. Love that they added that butterfly right there. But everything else was definitely just like painted on, like even right here with the flowers. The base of it was painted on, and then I think they probably used builder gel to just add the 3D effect right here. Now, if you watch my last press-on nail video, you know I was getting into the duckies, so I did pick up this one. Now, this one is not a handmade ducky. This is just a regular $2 set, but you know, for $2 you get 24 nails, so you are gonna get multiple wears out of this one. All right, so this is what this one looks like. I love it. I'm loving polka dots so much these days. This is really cute, and this is just a simple set that will still get a lot of compliments. You have the pink with the glitter and the kind of pale pink detailing around the apex. This is just so lovely. Actually cannot wait to wear these, to be honest. And even though they're duckies, they're still not like, you know, the ugly duckies. They're not too long where they're gonna look so ridiculous on you, but you know, again, if you want to get into the duckies, I would suggest starting off with a simple set like this, just to feel out how the shape works with your lifestyle, and of course just to feel out whether or not it's something that you'd want to try maybe in the handmade press-on nails. Also got this one. Yep. Those are blueberries. You are seeing correctly. Wow. And again, guys, these are lower quality. These are going to be more bendable. You will need to put top coat, builder gel, whatever you have in your collection, preferably builder gel or gel top coat, just to really make these thick and like, you know, hold on strong for at least 2 weeks. Like, come on, you need to get at least 2 weeks wear out of your press-on nails. Like, okay, like I ain't doing the 2-3 day thing. Like, come on, I need 2 to 3 weeks. So this, as you can see close up, of course, this is 3D right here. So the blueberries are 3D, but there is a little bit of, what would you say, like fading of the print with these. I realize as well, if you have these sitting down too long, they will fade over time. Just full disclosure purposes, if you buy these cheap ones, like try to use them up really quickly, or go ahead and start putting top coat on them as soon as you purchase them, so that the print doesn't fade. It will start fading from like literally around the edges, in my personal experience, because I got hundreds of nails right now, so believe me when I tell you, they will fade. So this is our last set, and it's a green one. Oh, the only thing I want to warn about this one, she is horrible with the sizing. I ended up getting her 3 times. I think this is now the size medium, and it's still super tiny. I mean, look at that little fingernail. Are you kidding me? I think a large would fit me so much better. I can still finesse this medium, but I just want to give a heads up. This is how these come. So, you know, again, I know it's not the best quality, but they were only $1. And I really think that it was a cute set. Once I put top coat over this and builder gel, y'all can't tell me nothing. It's going to be looking so good. But, and again, for only $1, I'm totally fine with the quality. I just wish that the sizing was better. So for these, I would suggest sizing up 2 sizes. If you're a size large already, girly, I don't know how that's gonna work, because you know, like, this is a medium, girl. So see, it's what I'm talking about. I can finesse it, because by the time I press it down, I'll probably have, like, you know, I'll be able to finesse it. But just bear that in mind, that these do not fit wider nail beds. All right, you guys, so these are all of the Shein nails that I've added to my collection. Would you believe me if I told you I had some more nails over there waiting? But those are actually from Temu, so I will put that in another video. So don't be afraid to hit that subscribe button if you love nails, if you love affordable beauty fashion finds. This channel is all about that. We're going to do Temu hauls. We're going to do Shein haul, Amazon. We will do Five Below. We will do Dollar Tree. All of that is on this channel, and I would love if you would go ahead and check it out. Share it with a friend. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.